If you're in your 30s or 40s and still struggling with your finances, this video is for you. Because the truth is, most people aren't broke because they're weak. They're broke because they were never taught the real rules of money. Since childhood, we've been fed a single formula. Go to school, get a job, and stay safe. But nobody ever told us that a job doesn't make you rich. A job just helps you survive. And if you're only surviving, you're not growing. Here at American Finance Hub, we share the reality that most people won't tell you. The reality is that your 30s and 40s are actually the best time to build financial strength. Why? Because now you have experience. You've learned from your mistakes, and you're emotionally stronger. The problem isn't that you're late. The problem is that you haven't been focusing in the right direction yet. Wealthy people don't just spend their income, they multiply it. When people with a scarcity mindset get money, they immediately spend it. When wealthy people get money, they immediately invest it. This one simple habit changes their entire lives. Think about it. The average person spends 3 to 4 hours a day scrolling through social media and then complains they do you and have time. But successful people invest this exact same time in learning new skills. Skills are the new currency. If you have a high-income skill, money will find you. But if all you have is free time and no valuable skills, then struggle is guaranteed. Our mission at American Finance Hub is to make you understand that your future is being built by your current habits. Everything you do each day is either making you richer or keeping you broke. One of the most dangerous things you can do is depend on a single source of income. Because if that income stream stops, you're back at zero. The wealthy always create multiple sources of income. They build side hustles, create online income streams, and build assets that work for them. People with a poor mindset work for money. Rich people make money work for them. This mindset shift is what creates the biggest difference. And the most powerful asset you possess is time. If you get serious and focus on your financial life for the next 5 years, you can completely transform your future. But if you ignore it for the next 5 years, the same struggle will continue. You don't have to wait for the perfect moment, because the perfect moment never comes. Winners start when they aren't ready, while losers keep waiting until it's too late. American Finance Hub is here to remind you that your past doesn't matter. It doesn't matter how much time you've wasted or how many mistakes you've made. All of that is irrelevant. What matters is your next decision. The decision you make today will define your future. You can either continue following the same old routine, or you can choose a new path that leads you toward financial freedom. The only difference is action. 5 years from now, you will either be thankful that you started today, or you will regret that you've delayed it once again. The decision is in your hands right now. And if you're serious about changing your financial life, subscribe to American Finance Hub, because here you'll get the knowledge that school never taught you.